Hello and welcome to this new Nalios tutorials on how to set up an out of the office message when you are away. So in Odoo you can do this quite easily. Of course I'm talking about version 19, but it's not available in all of the previous versions. So to set up an automated message saying that you are not working at the moment, you can open your profile here, My Preferences, and then you go to the Calendar tab. And here you can find the Out of the Office field. At the moment you can see that there is none planned, but of course you can say that you are away, for instance, from the 18th of March until I'll add an end date, the 28th, for instance, and then of course you can choose the hour of the day. I'm going to apply, and all you need to do is add your out of the office message. So I'm going to add this one in my case. I'll update my preferences, and that's it. So it's very easy to do, and it will help notify your contacts in case you are not working when they reach out to you. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave a comment, and I'll see you later for another video. Bye bye.